This is Eastside Sustainable Farms. They're a local farm right here in Kennewick, and they have wonderful, beautiful, yummy blueberries for sale right now. You can come pick them yourself, or you can come purchase ones that they've already picked for you. They have 3 varietals. They have the Duke, they have Top Shelf, and they have Valor. And all 3 are a little different and come into season or become ripe a little different times. Blueberries, like most fruits, start as a small bud, a little flower that starts to open, and then once they're open, they're small white flowers that, if they get pollinated, will turn into that beautiful purpley blueberry that we all know. Blueberry bushes can last over 30 to 50 years, so it's a long time. And it takes about 3 years before you get some good fruit to start from it. And blueberries pack such a big, nutritious punch. They are one of the healthiest foods around. They have tons of vitamin C and vitamin K. They have lots of fiber. They have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. That means that they can help your brain, your heart, your eyes, your entire immune system. And they're super yummy and can be added to so many things. The thing a blueberry bush needs to grow its fruit is pollinators. Pollinators are insects that love flower nectars. The nectar, which is a sweet, yummy food for a bee or a butterfly, is inside of the flower. So in order to get that nectar, the insect has to go into the flower, and by doing that, they kind of vibrate inside the flower and it releases the pollen inside, and the pollen sticks to the insect. And when the insect or the bee leaves the flower and goes to the next one, they bring that pollen from the other flower with it. This is called pollination. Pollination has to happen for the flower to turn into a blueberry. Eastside Sustainable Farms has made sure they have plenty of pollinators for their 27 rows of blueberries. These boxes here are home to hundreds of bees. Bees are essential to the blueberry life cycle because they move the most pollen when they vibrate inside the flower. And blueberry pollen is a little heavier, a little stickier than some other flowers, so they can't leave the flower without help from the bees. This is why bees are so important to farmers. We need these talented insects to help grow our farms and our gardens. Bees are pretty awesome. Not only do they help make our fruits and vegetables, but they also can travel up to 5 miles away from home to look for water. Inside these groupings is about 4 hives per each little group, each pallet, and that means there's 4 queens. Eastside Sustainable Farms also wants to help reduce the energy needs it has at the farm, so they installed these solar panels to help pump water for their plants. Eastside uses the solar panels to produce energy for their 10 horsepower pump that pumps irrigation from their well to their blueberries. The panel converts the sunlight energy into electric energy so the pump can work. It's clean energy and it's better for the environment. And any extra energy that they don't use goes back into the power grid.